Hello and welcome back to my channel Oxford Academic Tuition Center. I am Frozi Begum, an English teacher. I am going to teach you about present perfect tense. Here you can see the image of guru of the past and student of the present, and there is a connection between them, means there is a connection between past and present. So this is the main clue of present perfect tense, and we assume present perfect tense as a guru who shares his experience of the past. So let's get started. Students, you can see the guru who shares the experience of life, and he has a wisdom to highlight the effects, consequences, and accomplishment. These are the points that we use in present perfect tense. Come to the first point, experience we used in present perfect tense. For example, I have visited Singapore. It's beautiful, means whatever you have experienced in your life and you share with your friends that you have visited somewhere, and you can tell about that place. And if you watched something like movies, and you share your experience about the movies, so we have that experience we share with our friends. So in that case we use present perfect tense, means हमारे पास जो एक्सपीरियंस होता है, या मतलब हमारे बड़ों के या बुज़ुर्गों के पास जो एक्सपीरियंस होता है वो शेयर करते हैं, उसमें हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का यूज़ करते हैं. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड ऑफ इफेक्ट्स और इम्पैक्ट दैट we use in present perfect tense. For example, my brother has eaten food, so he doesn't need any more because his tummy is full. And when we injured, we have pain. That pain is the effect. Okay, so that effect we always use in present perfect tense. Now next slide of consequences or result. Consequences means parinam, result means natija. So you can see from the example, she has worked hard, so she received an academic award. आप इस इमेज में देख सकते हैं कि लड़की ने बहुत मेहनत की है और उसे academic award भी मिला है. So this is the consequence and this is the result. So we use this point, consequence or result, in present perfect tense. Next slide of accomplishment or achievement. You can see the example. Khyati Gautam has published many books and she got fame. ख्याति गौतम जो कि ऑथर हैं, राइटर हैं, उन्होंने बहुत सारी बुक्स लिखी हैं, उसकी वजह से उन्हें पॉपुलैरिटी मिली है, उनका अचीवमेंट है. तो अगर आप भी कुछ अचीव करना चाहते हैं तो यू शुड वर्क हार्ड. ओके, योर अचीवमेंट, योर accomplishment will be used in present perfect tense. Okay, any achievement you get, use present perfect tense for that. Now move to the next line of uncompleted action or unfinished action that we use in present perfect tense. If we have uncompleted action or unfinished action, we use present perfect tense. For example, they haven't completed their project yet always used in the last sentence. You can see from the image, why is Polavaram project not yet completed after 20 years? This is the complaint about the Polavaram project. Okay, so you can use other sentences like, I have not done my homework yet, they haven't finished their food yet, like this. Next slide of multiple action, we use present perfect tense. For example, she has cooked food, she has done many works. We can see from the image a woman of multipurpose task. So in multiple action we use present perfect tense. Now see the structure of present perfect tense. Positive I, we use they, plural subject. We use have plus third form of verb. With he, she, it, we use has plus third form of verb. For example, you have finished your food. She has finished her food, like that. In negative singular subject he, she, it, we use hasn't, or plural subject I, we you they, we use haven't plus third form of verb. For example, she hasn't finished her food, or I haven't finished my food. Interrogative has plus singular subject plus third form of verb plus object plus question mark, or have plus plural subject plus third form of verb plus object. Example, has she finished her food? पॉजिटिव में अगर सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है ही शी तो हैज़ का यूज़ करेंगे, वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म यूज़ करेंगे। अगर आई वी यू दे है तो हैव का यूज़ करेंगे, वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म यूज़ करेंगे। नेगेटिव में अगर सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है ही शी इट तो हैज़ नॉट, उसका शॉर्टकट हैज़ेंट यूज़ करेंगे। और अगर प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट है हाई वी यू दे तो हैवेंट का यूज़ करेंगे, मीन्स हैव नॉट, और थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब का यूज़ करेंगे। अगर इंट्रोगेटिव है तो हैज़ पहले यूज़ करेंगे, उसके बाद सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट रखेंगे, वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म यूज़ करेंगे, ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाएंगे। और अगर प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट है उससे पहले हैव रखेंगे, वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म रखेंगे, ऑब्जेक्ट रखेंगे, क्वेश्चन मार्क रखेंगे। Now next slide of the contraction form. I have in shortcut I, you have in shortcut you, we have in shortcut gave, they have in shortcut their, he is in shortcut his, she has in shortcut she's, it has in shortcut its, John has in shortcut John's, the car has in shortcut the cars. These are all contraction forms which are used in informal or spoken English, not in professional. Okay, so professionally you use full form, not shortcut. This is last slide of 10 expressions so far अब तक। एग्जाम्पल, so far I have read 4 books, अब तक मैंने 4 किताबें पढ़ ली हैं। Yet अभी तक use in questions or negative. For example, they haven't visited Paris yet, already पहले से। I have already finished my food, just हाल ही में। Example, I have just reached home, never कभी नहीं। Example, they have never visited Japan, ever क्या कभी नहीं। Have you ever eaten Italian food? I hope students this video is helpful to you, and if you have any queries related to this video, feel free to ask. If you found my video useful, subscribe me and hit the like button, and share my content to others so that they might benefit from this. I'm always excited to share more and more content in future. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.